In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Then hit Format Settings and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Then choose Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups for Recorder to work. And when you finished, click on this button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon. And to add a photo mark, on camera 1. Now choose while using the app. Take a pic, and to discard it, use this X. To add it, tap on the check mark. To end and save your recording, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Now to get rid of it right away, choose Delete. To save it, name it, and hit Save. Now to play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, and also those three dots at the top right corner. If you wish to, you can even hold it on the list and operate all of those options at the bottom, like Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!